Hello students, welcome to Eshwari Thaniksha channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the valency factor for redox reaction. Students, you know that valency factor is also known as N factor. So we are going to find the valency factor or the N factor for redox reaction in this video. Before starting the video, students, if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and also share this video with your friends. If you are preparing for NEET or JEE examination, these videos will be very helpful to you. So now let us start the video. So to find the valency factor for the redox reaction, use this formula. Valency factor is equal to total change in oxidation. Total change in oxidation or total change in reduction. So this is the formula you are going to use, and always remember that valency factor will be positive. So it will not have negative value, it will be positive. So either consider total change in oxidation or you have to consider total change in reduction. So let us take one example to understand. So let us take one example. The first example we are going to take is KClO3 giving KCl plus O2. So here the question is, you have to find the valency factor for KClO3. So how to find is, first write the oxidation state on each element. So for potassium, you know that +1. For chlorine, what is the oxidation state? So we have to find out KClO3. So 1K plus 1 chlorine plus 3 times oxygen is equal to 0. So potassium is +1 plus chlorine we have to find plus 3 times oxygen is -2 is equal to 0. So 1 plus chlorine -6 is equal to 0. Chlorine -6 plus 1 will be -5 is equal to 0. Chlorine is equal to +5. So this is the oxidation state on chlorine. So on chlorine it is +5. Oxygen it is -2. And here again potassium +1, chlorine -1 and O2 oxygen. So you know that in the elemental state it will be 0. Oxidation state is 0. So this is the first step. Find the oxidation state on each element. And after this, what you have to do is see which element undergoes oxidation and which element is undergoing reduction. So now here you can see chlorine, compare with this chlorine. So oxidation state on chlorine, here it is +5 and here it is -1. So what is the change in oxidation state now? So change in oxidation state is from +5 it is going to -1. So +5 minus of -1. So this will be equal to 6. So 6 is the change in oxidation state. So actually chlorine is undergoing oxidation or reduction. From +5 it is changing to -1. So there is a decrease in oxidation state. If there is a decrease in oxidation state, you know that it is reduction. So this is reduction. Now compare oxygen with this O2. So now what is the change in oxidation state? Here it is -2 and here it is 0. So what is the change? So change is -2 minus 0, which will be equal to 2. So 2 is the change in oxidation state. And how many oxygen atoms are present here? So here you can see there are 3 oxygen atoms present. So therefore you have to multiply this with 3. So 2 3s is equal to 6. So here whether oxygen is undergoing oxidation or reduction, see from -2 it is changing to 0. So there is increase in oxidation state. If it is increase in oxidation state, it is called as oxidation. So here this is an oxygen is undergoing oxidation. So here change in oxidation state, for the oxidation we got 6 and for reduction also we got 6. So what is the formula saying? Total change in oxidation or total changes in reduction. So take any one. So for oxidation we got 6, for reduction also we got 6. So you have to consider any one. So answer will be the valency factor. Valency factor will be equal to 6 for KClO3. So this is how we are going to find the valency factor for redox reaction. So students, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I'll meet you in the next video, students.